So now, what is essential for my life is to denounce my US citizenship. Because of all what I have stated in this YouTube channel, of all the illegal attempts on my life, from the first one of raiding my property, my residence, and my family with machine guns, M16, and sniper rifles. They were wearing bulletproof vests, along with the Crest Hill police. This is an attempt of murder. They told me we're expecting shootout. No, 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 they were not expecting. They were planning shootout. You know? But God saved me. So there's danger in my life. And then they sent their agent to make that phone call, tell me, be ready, you will go to jail, your father is going to be on the street, I'm going to tell the FBI, your Saddam Hussein sent you to fly airplanes, teach you how to fly airplanes through buildings. That's another attempt on my life. So when I went in the court, as I have stated, many attempts on my life in the court, in Will County Court, then I took the case to the federal court. Everything is documented. And you know, the Finnish government, they have all the information. All the information. Did the USA deny it? Did the USA go tell the Finnish government, no, 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 no. No, no, you see this application, he has his application on YouTube. You know his application. That's not true. Let him come talk to me. How's the record out there? Okay? And then, the last attempt. Not the last, many attempts. One of them was to kill me in the court with the gun they brought in the court with one of the supposed to be security, court security sheriff deputy, but he was wearing civilian clothes. The sheriff deputy with the uniform was not carrying a gun, but the other one was carrying a gun. So they want me to go before the judge, and the judge, you know, would say something, and then they will jump at me. Oh, he's in contempt of court. They will jump on me, and they will bring false witnesses. You know, false witnesses, even at court. You know, the judge himself, Leavis, he was not the presiding judge in that case. At that time, it was a woman judge. So why they brought him in? Even the whole courtroom was an act. There were actors over there from them. They just want to make it look like it's regular court. Even if it was, you know, when they jump on the one, and then that guy, the civilian, would take the gun out and shoot and say, oh, he smuggled this gun to inside the court, and he wanted to take the gun to shoot, and was a struggle, was taking the gun from him, and he shot himself, or he got shot by his own gun. See, this illegal gun, he brought it with him from outside. He smuggled it in. How? Go answer. Give the answer. You know? They will make up anything. I got the information. That's what was their plan. But God saved me. God saved me. So, now, there are too many attempts on my life, and the United States, silent. They are admitting. They see this. They hear it. Okay? Attempts on my life. And for how long? How should I prove that there are what more proof they want? Anybody? When I be 6 feet under the ground? So they want to bury me in Finland? They are worried about my life? Or they will bury me in Norway or in France? Well, my life is gone. If that's what they are waiting for? That's what the United States wants? Is that when I will get my life? They will say, oh, even when I die, they will make up stories. They want to say he was victim. No, no. Just like, lately that they say they captured a Pakistani. He is behind that New York bomb threat. And he got on the airplane and he was caught. United Arab flight, United Arab Emirates, I think, Airways. And they say, oh, he was on no-flight list. And somebody asked the question, if he's on the no-flight list, how did he get on the airplane and you got him out? You see, you need to think about it. All lies and lies and lies. They want the 9/11 preposterous scenario to stick, but it's not sticking. It does not stick. All lies. I was on the no-flight list. I am on the no-flight list. They gave me passport on May of 2009, but they put me on the no-flight list. So if I get a reservation, they will catch me in the airport. Okay? But God was His plan that I go through Canada. So I went by road. You see? So there are too many attempts on my life. What other proof anybody wants? What other proof? When I'm dead, what's the use of that proof? So for me to denounce my US citizenship is essential to my life. Essential that I cannot live without it. Cannot live without denouncing my US citizenship. For the enjoyment. Indispensable to the enjoyment. The enjoyment of what? Enjoyment of the right. I have to enjoy my rights. So the enjoyment, in the law, enjoyment, this is legal thing, the exercise of legal right to enjoy the benefit of owning property, for example. So I want to exercise my legal right to enjoy my freedom, my life. So I have to declare that I'm not a US citizen anymore. I have to renounce it. Okay? For the benefit also of owning, for example, owning property. I want to enjoy having property. But you know what happened to my property? It's gone. They took it from me. My house. My family house took it from me. Not just that. My property. Final award. It's award for my back injury. They robbed me of that award. Final and non-appealable. Nobody could appeal it. After 20 days, it's engraved in the rocks. After 20 days. After 9 months, what's his name? Alexander P. White. He made a new law. He became a legislator. He transgressed on the legislative branch of the government. He's from the judicial branch. He's a judge, right? To do what? He made a new order. He made a new law to justify the theft of my property. So I couldn't enjoy my award. So I could feed my children, take care of my children for their education, to buy them nice clothes so they look nice. They always look nice. They are gorgeous, beautiful children. But they robbed me of that property, so I couldn't enjoy any of my properties. I couldn't enjoy hugging my children, kissing them, tell them I love you. I couldn't do that. They took that right from me. I couldn't have that right. Why? It's God's decision that He made me a witness on you, American COINTELPRO people, CIA, FBI, Mossad. He made me videotape you planning the September 11th attacks. It's your fault. Why did you do it in front of me? Why did you plan it in front of me?